wanted to give a shout out and express gratitude to the heroes we have in our community. Our teachers, our EMTs, firefighters, veterans, our medical staff, the people who, when we're at a tough time or in great need, are there to respond. They are truly heroes in the community, and our heroes, they desire and they deserve to be in homes. And Homes for Heroes is a real estate program to make that just a little bit easier by bringing together you, the hero, and the real estate professionals who can combine, understand, and appreciate your journey and get you in your own home. One of the great people we have with us today who's been very active in Homes for Heroes is Susan Severson from Navy to Navy Realty. Susan, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for all you do. Thank you for your service as a veteran. Thank you for all the wonderful philanthropic things you do around the community. I'm very grateful, very respectful, and very appreciative.
Well, that means a lot to me coming from you, Wally, and that's a lot of thank yous. So, and thank you for your service. You're also a veteran, so
thank you. And
that's something we share.
Our show. So that important group of people who help us so much in the community, we know they want to own their own home. They deserve to own their own home. They're working hard every day, earning the money for their own home. How does the Homes for Heroes program help them to make that just a little easier?
In a nutshell, we at Navy to Navy Homes, we offer 25% of our gross commission to the hero buyer or seller of a home when they buy or sell with one of our realtors. Wow.
So there's a true economic piece there. What about the particular programs? And there's so many programs for veterans, and there are other programs that are exclusive to, say, first responders. How do you keep yourself aware of the right best program within the Homes for Hero envelope to assure I'm getting my best mortgage, my best home inspection? How are you helping me there?
Well, we're very fortunate here on the First Coast to have many in the different industries in real estate that participate in Homes for Heroes. So I have lender partners, I have inspector partners that all recognize what a hero gives back to our country and our community and are willing to thank that hero, reward them with dollars. So we get discounted services to our heroes when they buy or sell a home with one of us.
Excellent. You know, in the real estate community, when we start thinking about discount services, we start thinking about discount in performance.
Not at all. Not at all. Our heroes deserve the best customer service that we can provide, and my partners make sure that they hit that on the head every single time. We are there to serve that hero in the same way they serve us.
And that's on the buying side as well as the selling side.
That is correct.
That's really fascinating.
The average savings on the real estate sale is about $1,300 to $1,500 per transaction.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm happy you brought me into this. This is a good thing. So what about a person who had been a hero? So they're a retired military person, a retired firefighter, retired police officer, retired teacher. Is it only the people who are still serving, or is it also those who have previously served?
Absolutely not. If you've ever served our country or our community, you're a hero to us. So we are going to honor that service with our service and our dollars.
What about if they didn't retire from the service?
Doesn't matter.
They fulfilled their obligation, they moved on to the next thing.
I'm not a retiree as a veteran. I did 6-7 years and left the Air Force, so not all retire.
The
so that's
Air
okay.
Force.
I was in the Air Force.
So
I know this is a
for
Navy
close to a
town.
decade. I thought you were left the Navy. You were served in the Navy.
No.
Here you are.
Fly high, go Air Force.
Navy to Navy Realty with an Air Force person.
Well, we're not an Air Force town here in Jacksonville, are we? So Navy to Navy Homes, but I'm with Navy to Navy Homes because of my veteran service and because of my veteran leader, Mario Gonzalez, our broker, and my personal champion. He's an amazing human being, and I enjoy working with him. And I was with a bigger firm when I started my career in real estate 9 years ago, and I wasn't satisfied. I didn't feel a personal connection to what I was doing in my career. And I met Mario, and we hit it off. He's a wonderful human being. He's hilarious. And I was like, this is a guy I could really get behind and help his firm grow. We're a small firm at Navy to Navy Homes. we don't just work with military, we work with everybody. Look at all these heroes that we work with, and teachers and medical staff and first responders. So you don't have to be military to come work with Navy to Navy realtors. But that is our niche market. And we are the #1 Homes for Heroes affiliate in the nation as of 2018.
I didn't know that either. You know, I know you respect you. I know you like and respect Mario. And he's such a humble guy.
He is.
I would like to have known they were #1 in the country. I had no idea.
Last year we helped over 232 heroes save almost $500,000.
Wow.
We gave back $482,000 last year at Navy to Navy Homes to heroes here in Jacksonville.
You're giving me chills.
I know, I get chills too.
What is the best way?
That's a big number.
What's the best way for heroes or the regular citizenry to get in touch with you to learn more?
So NavyToNavyHomes.com. I'm Susan Severson at the Susan Severson Group at Navy to Navy Homes. I'm on social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of the social media.
You're hard to avoid.
Yeah, you can find me. Just Susan Severson, Susan Severson Group, Navy to Navy Homes.
Got it. I want to thank Susan for being with us. I know her well. I have tremendous respect for the things she does in the community, the way she treats the people around her. That's a hallmark at Navy to Navy Homes. They're wonderful people. Thank you so much for being with us.